I'm going to give you 5 easy ways you can make money online here in Ghana. The first way you can make money online here in Ghana is through freelancing or by becoming a freelancer. When we talk about freelancing, it's about you detaching yourself from a company or from any firm and telling the world you are your own. You are willing to provide certain services at certain price, willing to offer to anyone that will be interested in you. Freelancing is a way that people are making a lot of money online here in Ghana. You can use any of this platform to promote those skills. Those skills can be writing skills, it can be editing skills, graphic designing, so many other skills. You can promote those skills on fiverr.com. We have upwork.com, we have iwriter.com, we have so many freelancer platforms. I'll be leaving some of the links in the description section so that after watching this video you can go and check those platforms out and see which one you can provide and start making money out of those skills. People can make from $100 to $1,000 or $2,500 at the end of every month through freelancing. Another advantage of becoming a freelancer is that you are not associated with any company or any firm. You determine the kind of services you want to provide, and you determine the amount of money you want to charge for those services, and you determine the income you want to make at the end of the month, depending on the effort you put in that work. Another advantage of becoming a freelancer is that it exposes you to the bigger world. It helps you to know how people think from different regions and how they behave so that you can be able to mingle with anybody at any time. It also helps you to build a network of people around the world, and that helps you to gather new ideas and broadens your mind to become a better person. That is another advantage of becoming a freelancer. The second way you can make money online here in Ghana is through affiliate marketing. The first time I heard about affiliate marketing some years ago, I didn't understand it, but later I got to understand the whole model. Okay, so when you talk about affiliate marketing, it's just you being a middle person between an audience and a particular company or affiliate partner. We have so many affiliate programs. You can search Google and you get tons of affiliate marketing that you can apply for. We have Amazon, shareandsold.com. They also have an affiliate program there. You choose a product that you are passionate or you like that you would want to promote to your audience, and you can start making money from it. People make living out of affiliate marketing. You can promote any product at all. You are not limited to any product. You can promote anything at all you feel like you want to promote to your audience. The only thing you need to be successful in affiliate marketing is 3 things. You need audience, you need authority, you need trust. If you have these 3 things, you can be able to make money from affiliate marketing. So if you don't have audience on YouTube, but you have audience on TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, or any of those social media platforms, it's a good ground for you to start promoting your affiliate link. Make a video to talk about those services or products that you are promoting, and then leave your affiliate links there, and people are going to buy from those links. When you register for any affiliate program, you'll be given a tracking code or a special link that is unique to you alone. So whenever you share it with your audience, when they click on it, directs them to the affiliate partners website. When they are able to make purchase on that website, you get commission based on the purchase they make. Some of the commission is between 10 to 20%. Some is even 50%, depending on the product or services you are promoting. Okay, and that is what people are making money out of. So if you are not into any affiliate program, then you need to start now. You need to look for some and then hop on it and start making money online here in Ghana. People are making it and you got to make it. The third way to make money online here in Ghana is through YouTube. Becoming a YouTuber. It is a very good ground to make money. People are making it, my dear. Don't be left out. You need to start making money on YouTube. All you need to get is your camera and your niche. That's when we talk about niche, that's the area you are passionate about, the things you are passionate about that you want to talk about it. You can now start talking about it behind the camera and then upload it on your YouTube channel. You open a YouTube channel and then upload those videos there. You will get people. Don't think you're a boring person. There's no boring person. There are people who are even interested in boring stories. So whatever you are good at, whatever you can do, you just start making videos on it and start uploading it on the platform, and you can start making money on the platform. There are so many ways you can start making money on YouTube. First, you can use the platform to promote your physical business. If you have any physical business, talk about it on your channel, promote it, and you get people who are interested in those things. and will buy from you, all because they want to support you. You can also use YouTube to promote your affiliate link. That is by talking about the product or the services on your platform and then share the link with your audience. There are people who might be looking for those kind of services or products we might be talking about, and they'll click on the link, then go and buy from the affiliate partners website. And any purchase that you make, you definitely get your commission on that. And that is how people are making money on YouTube. Another way you can make money on YouTube is through the YouTube partnership program. So when you're able to get to the 1,000 subscribers milestone plus the 4,000 watch hours, which I got last month, YouTube will send you an invitation to join the partnership program, and you'll be guided on how to apply for the program, and you'll be accepted into the partnership program. So when YouTube finally accept you into the program, you start seeing ads placed on your video. So when you are watching any of my videos and see ads on it, it's because my channel has been monetized. So anytime you watch those ads to the end, the creator gets compensated for that or gets commissions because of that. So another way you can support me is by watching my ad on my videos. The next way you can make money on YouTube is through brand promotion. Because of the audience you're going to build on your channel and the engagement you're going to build on your channel, you're also going to get brands reaching out to you to become their brand ambassadors or to promote their products or services. And before you make those videos, there's going to be an agreement on how much they're going to pay before you promote their videos, and the creators charge before they do the promotion on their platform. And that is another way you can make money online here in Ghana. So if you're not YouTubing, if you're not making YouTube videos, take advantage now and start making it. You do not need all the gadgets, just need your phone and start, and you can start making money on this platform. If you think you cannot sit behind the camera and make video, or you don't want to talk making videos, I got you covered. I made a video on how to start a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face. Not that will you even use a voice to make a video, but you can still make money on those platforms. That the platform can still grow and you can still make money there. So I'll be leaving the link in the description section so that you can go and check it out and watch that video to the end so that you can start making money even if you don't want to show your face behind the camera. The fourth way to make money online is through blogging. My dear, blogging has been there for years, but it still makes people a lot of money. You can make from $100 to $10,000 at the end of the month, depending on the information you have on your blog. I'm sure you're going to say you don't know how to write. Please, nobody knows how to write. We all learn from the beginning. Okay, early this year I started blogging. We all started learning from the beginning. If you want to be a good blogger, you want to go into blogging, you just need to work on your communication skills, your reading skills, your writing skills, and your research skills. If you're able to work on those skills, you will be able to start a blog. You don't even need to be perfect in all these four skills. You need to start from somewhere. Whilst you are doing it, you are still working on your communication skills, and that can make you money online here in Ghana. This is how you're going to make money from blogging. Whenever you go to Google search engine and type, you are searching for something, you see tons of information provided to you for you to make your own choice. Any of those informations are from people's blog, and the more you click on those informations, Google pays the writers for providing those informations on their platform. And that's how the creators make money from their blog. Another way you can make money from blogging is through affiliate marketing. That is by sharing your affiliate links on your blog. So sometimes you see you'll be reading an article, and then some of the words has been highlighted and they are also clickable. Okay, so let's say you're reading about how to bathe a dog, and then you see that when you get to a point, the writer is talking about a detergent, a good detergent that can bait a dog or do the magic. You see that let's say it goes like this. So there are so many detergents out there that you can use to bait a dog, but this detergent can do the magic. So you see the this has been highlighted and it's clickable. Okay, so when you click on it, it will take you to another page or another website, okay, where the detergent has been displayed. It is the person affiliate link that has been embedded under that word. So when you click on it, to take you to their affiliate partners website, where you can be able to choose the kind of detergent you want to buy from there. Any purchase you make, the blogger makes some commission based on that, and that is how they make money from their blog. Another way you can make money from blogging is through Google AdSense. When you're able to make a minimum of 1,000 clicks per month, Google monetize your blog and you start making money. You start seeing ads running all over your blog, and that is how you start making money on your blog. People make from $100 to $1,000, or and even more, depending on the tons of information you have on your blog. That is how you can start making money online here in Ghana. My dear, if you know how to write, start thinking of blogging. But if you don't know how to write, start thinking of working on all those 4 skills we talked about, I just talked about, and start working on it and start thinking of going to blogging, because you are going to make passive income from that. And the fifth way you can make money online here in Ghana is through making of courses. Don't go far, it's just around you. You don't think far. Don't go. It is just about the things you are very good at, that you convert them into videos or into writing. That is how you can make money. There are courses. People are buying courses online every day. Last 2 years I bought a course online. This year alone I've spent close to 6,000 Ghana cedis buying courses online just to upgrade myself. So what if somebody buys that course from me? That means I am going to make that money. You make the course, you sacrifice once, and you reap forever, for a long time. Just look at the things you are very passionate about, that you can make videos on those things and then convert them into courses and start selling them. It could be graphic designing, it could be video editing, it could be how to even grow YouTube channel, how to be successful affiliate marketer, how to be so many things that you are very good at. Those are the things that you need to convert them into courses and start selling, and you can start making money online here in Ghana. Some of the courses can also be baking, sewing, gardening, and all those things. Those simple things that you think they cannot make you money are the things that will make you money. You can promote those courses on YouTube. If you have a lot of followings on TikTok, you can promote those courses there. You can promote it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all those social media platforms you can mention of, depending on where you have your audience. But if you don't have audience on any of those platforms, so I got you covered. You can run a paid ad to promote your courses, and you get people. If the courses are good, you get people buying, and you can still make money profit from that. If you also don't want to run paid ad, you're not sure whether that can give you money, you can also reach out to people who already have audience, okay, like us. So we are going to charge you and promote your courses on our platform, and that's how we can make money from you, and you can also make money from us. That's going to be a way of earning passive income for a long time. So that is another way you can make money online here in Ghana. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know which action you're going to take now. Write that in the comment section. I'll be very happy to see that. If you're someone that you want to make YouTube videos, but you don't want to be behind the camera, I got you covered. I have a video that I take you through the process of making a faceless YouTube videos without showing your face, or even use your voice to make the video and still make money on that channel. Let's go. I'll see you in that video. Click on it right now.